Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Chevy Trailblazer RS. Slightly bigger than the Trax, and with the RS this is the top of the line. Yes, I'm supposed to have a plate, but no screws. So I don't have my drill with me, so I can't screw through the bumper. But I have the plate in the car. Very, very nice. 1.3 liter turbo, 9-speed automatic, cement white over jet black with red accents. Total price of $32,350. Yes, this is powered by a 3-cylinder, turbocharged of course. Oh, that's heavy actually. Nice little motor. Interior is absolutely amazing. Love the flat bottom steering wheel. Such a beautiful car. We go. There's the reversing camera. Put it in drive. Sliding visor. Alright, nice panoramic sunroof as well. So the Trailblazer, slightly bigger than your Trax, but overall quality and everything in the Trailblazer is way nicer. Up and over all the snow and ice. This does have all-wheel drive. You can enable by a touch of a button. I absolutely love this thing. Tons of fun to drive. Even though it's only a 3-cylinder, little over 1 liter, where people are like, oh, I can buy a soda bottle that's bigger than that. It does feel great. It is a great motor for this. I wish they upped the power for the RS. Maybe if they could have put the 2.0 in here, the 2.0 turbo, or the 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder, that would be a riot. But honestly, it doesn't feel slow at all. I mean, you can tell it's pretty peppy. This isn't designed to be the fastest car on the block. Instead, this is an urban car for cities and stuff like that. The RS is a trim, an appearance package, but unlike the Traverse, the RS in here actually has some great performance mods, like the flat bottom steering wheel. You can tell visibility is absolutely phenomenal as well. I can see everything perfect. This is an awesome little car. If you like the tracks, but you want something just a little bit bigger, or you want something a little bit more funky, this is absolutely perfect. There are many different trim levels too. You have your base LS, then you have your LT, then you have your RS, then you have the Active. So a ton of variation in the Trailblazer lineup. Three-cylinder does sound very, very unique, and that's not a bad thing. Unique in this case means cool. One of my favorite Chevy sounds is this three-cylinder. It just sounds so cool. I mean, honestly, in a world of four cylinders, it's nice to have some weird, funky engines now. You know, because every car, you can just put a four-cylinder in it and be fine. But once you add a turbo, once you change the cylinder count, it's absolutely awesome. It just provides a special little something to make each car unique. Because theoretically, every single car in the world could be powered by the same motor. But what makes a car special is what powers it. See, even with all-wheel drive, turning radius is pretty phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.